Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, another stunning performance from double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson, a podium finish for Asafa Powell, and a national record in the women's steeplechase highlighted the Jamaican performances at the IAAF Diamond League meet in Doha, Qatar on Friday. Elaine Thompson and Dutch woman Daphne Schippers are fast developing one of the best rivalries in women's athletics. But on Friday, Schippers, the world champion, was no match for the Jamaican.
Who always gets out very, very quickly indeed, is already up in Desiree Henry. Schippers has taken some ground out of Elaine Thompson, and inside her, Veronica Campbell-Brown running a good bed. But here comes Thompson, the Olympic champion. Schippers trying to hang on to her down the home straight, but she's continuing to move away. Taluk getting into the back of the third, but it's going to be Elaine Thompson who wins it. Daphne Schippers in second, 22.19.
Also left chasing were fellow Jamaicans Simone Facey, who finished fourth in 23 seconds flat, and two-time Olympic champion Veronica Campbell-Brown fifth in 23.09.
Just want to execute. Was expecting a fast time or a win, but just execute.
After Thompson, Asafa Powell was the next best placed Jamaican on the day.
Gatlin as ever gets out pretty quickly. Sabine going well. Ogunodi right up there as well. DeGrasse struggling to stay up with these two, but Gatlin's going to be beaten here. Sabine coming away the top four man, and Asafa Powell takes second. Well, we were looking for sub 10. Didn't quite get it there.
Powell's second place came in 10.08. Interestingly, Olympic silver medalist Justin Gatlin, 10.14, was down in fourth, and Canadian sensation, world and Olympic bronze medalist Andre DeGrasse, fifth in 10.21.
I mean, I feel good. I haven't been training as much, and so I'm in good shape. Minus 1.3 meter headwind, and 10.08. That's a good start. I mean, my guy from South Africa has been running early all season, so he's very sharp right now, so I'm not really worried about that.
Megan Simmons, 13.13 seconds, was fifth in the women's 100-meter hurdles, won by world record holder Kendra Harrison of the USA in 12.59. Although having to settle for eighth in the women's 3,000-meter steeplechase, Olympic finalist Aisha Prout-Lair set a Jamaican and area record 9 minutes 19.29 seconds. The previous record was 9 minutes 27.21, set in 2005 by Marjorie Hyman.
Oh my God, I feel so good. I've been wanting this for a really long time, thank you. And I just zeroed by 12 seconds, and it feels great. It feels so great.
And having stayed with the leading pack for the first 500 meters, national champion Natoya Gould, 2 minutes 01.59, faded to eighth in the women's 800 meters, won by Olympic champion Caster Semenya of South Africa in a world-leading 1:56.61. And the below-par season of Olympic 400-meter hurdles finalist Ansert White continued with the last place finish in 50.80 seconds. The race was won by world leader Abdurrahman Samba in 48.44 seconds.